So, this subscriber? They asked me in a previous video to create a 4D box, and I decided to actually do it using only HTML on a phone with 1 gig of RAM. No engines, no libraries, just pure HTML canvas. In this video, I'm going to show you how I faked the fourth dimension in only 60 lines of code. I know the editor shows 129 lines, but stick around. You're about to see exactly why it shows that and how we actually pulled this off in 60. Let me explain the science in the code so that you can understand better. 1D is a line with 2 dots. 2D is a square with 4 dots. 3D is a cube with 8 dots. 4D is a tesseract with 16 dots. Each dimension doubles the number of points. But there are 2 problems we face. One, our screens are in 2D. Except for 3D screens in VR, but we don't use those on a regular basis. The other problem is that our eyes, we see in 2D. I know that's hard to believe, but the brain is what shows us the 3D reality, while the eyes see in 2D. What we do in order to fix this is that we need to cheat. And I don't mean the cheat on a test kind of cheating. I mean, we fake the 4D. Just like how PlayStation 2 games faked 3D on CRT TVs. To project 4D, we have to do 4D and 3D on 2D. And this whole code is what does that. It shows you 4D on 2D space.
Let me walk you through the code so I can show you exactly what makes it tick. By the way, the code is in the description, so you can copy and paste it into your editor and follow along. So let's create the 16 points of the tesseract. This section here is known as a loop. It counts from 0 to 15 plus 1 to generate the 16 points. Each number gives us 1 corner, and this part right here just picks 1 or -1. Next, we need the 4D rotation. I designed this so the number goes up on every frame, keeping the rotation super smooth. This specific chunk of code is what creates the fourth dimension for the tesseract to rotate on. With this, the inner cube and the outer cube can swap places. That's what creates the 4D spin. Without it, the box just spins in 3D. Now we create the projection. We project 4D into 3D space, so your device can actually show you 4D on a 2D screen. There is a lot of math involved here, but I'll simplify it. See this W right here? W basically represents the fourth dimension. This math says if W is far away, make the point smaller. Just like in real life, when something is far, you see it smaller than how it actually is. And this part makes it, if it's close, it make it way bigger. These math lines are the secret sauce that lets you see 4D on a 2D screen. Finally, we draw the lines and connect them to the points we made. This part makes sure the code goes to 1 corner at a time. Without this, every corner connects to every corner. And we don't want a messy web. We want a clean 4D box. Now, what happens if you remove some of the important code? Let's say you delete the 4D rotation. Boom. You just see a static 3D cube. And if you delete the projection part, you're left with a flat 2D square. Lastly, I want you to mess around with this code. Make your own videos, tag me, and I will definitely comment on your code wizardry.
The craziest part about all this is that I did it all on a Tecno Pop 2F with 1 gig of RAM, 16 gigs of storage, and nothing but a code editor. This video is not sponsored, by the way. The app I used is in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, a sub would be lovely, and let me know in the comments what I should create next. See you in the next one.